You ever notice how every time a new software update drops, people either love it or instantly regret it? Well, Samsung's brand new One UI 8 update is proving that perfectly. For some Galaxy users, it's the best thing to happen to their phones in months. Smoother animations, better app transitions, cleaner visuals. But for others, it's a total nightmare. Phones overheating, battery draining like it's running a marathon, and even weird signal drops that no one can explain. Yeah, the internet is on fire with complaints right now. Hey everyone, welcome back. James here. If you enjoy these deep dives into Samsung's updates, don't forget to hit that like button, share this video with your Galaxy friends, and subscribe so you don't miss the next one. Alright, let's talk about what's really going on with One UI 8 now. Samsung's update has officially rolled out to a big number of devices, from the S24 and S25 series to a bunch of mid-range models, but it hasn't been smooth sailing for everyone. One frustrated user posted that after updating their S25 Ultra, the heating problems were finally gone, but the battery suddenly started dying twice as fast. 3 hours of gaming took it from 100% down to 57%, while before the update, it would only drop around 30%. That's a massive difference. And then there's another user who said after the September patch, everything went downhill, performance tanked, the phone felt sluggish, and the color palette started acting weird. Even the wallpaper tones looked off. Their words, they break it, then fix it, and call that an improvement. Brutal. But here's where things get interesting. Not everyone's complaining. A surprising number of users actually say their phones feel faster, their standby time has improved, and heating has dropped dramatically. So how can the same update feel completely different for different people? Well, there's a reason behind it. Whenever a big software update like One UI 8 lands, your phone starts relearning your habits, charging patterns, app usage, background refresh rates. It's like it's trying to understand your daily rhythm all over again. During this adjustment period, the phone might drain more battery than usual. For some, it stabilizes in a day or two. For others, it can take up to a week. But yes, if it continues even after that, something deeper might be off. Speaking of deeper issues, one user on Reddit went as far as warning others not to update after their device started losing network signal constantly. Verizon and Samsung both tried to help, even switching the SIM to a physical SIM, but the problem came back the moment they stepped outside. Calls dropped, signal vanished, and the phone practically became a Wi-Fi-only device. That's not exactly what you expect from a flagship phone. Another Galaxy user complained that their S25 Plus now heats up quicker than before, and their battery barely lasts 2 days instead of nearly 3. And no, clearing cache didn't help. That suggests something's not just temporary. Maybe a software process gone rogue or a system optimization bug that needs patching. Interestingly, I've been testing One UI 8 myself on my S24 Ultra, and the performance feels smoother, but the battery life? Definitely a little weaker than before. Overnight drain went from around 2% to nearly 10%. And I'm not alone. The Samsung community forums are filled with users saying their phones are losing 8 to 12% battery while idle. That's concerning, but before you panic or start regretting the update, here's the good news. Most of these issues are fixable. Battery recalibration after a major update usually takes a few full charge cycles. And in many cases, simply wiping cache partition or turning off a few new background services fixes 80% of the problem. Plus, Samsung's known to roll out hotfixes within weeks whenever large-scale complaints pop up. And while everyone's busy troubleshooting One UI 8, something even bigger is brewing behind the scenes. One UI 9, yes. Early leaks have already confirmed that development is underway. And this next version is reportedly bringing massive AI integration, a refreshed visual layout, and deeper cross-device smart features powered by Gemini AI. It's expected to launch alongside the next Android version, and based on Samsung's update roadmap, it looks like the Galaxy S22 and newer, along with select series and foldables, will make the cut. So, while One UI 8 might be causing a few headaches right now, It's also paving the way for something much smarter and more unified. If you've already updated, keep an eye on your battery over the next few days. Things might just balance out. And if you haven't updated yet, maybe wait for the next patch. That could be the polished version everyone was hoping for. Now I want to know, how's your phone handling One UI 8? Is it a hit or a disaster? Drop your experience in the comments, because real-world feedback is what actually helps others decide. And if you want to stay ahead of the next update wave, trust me, you'll want to stick around for my deep dive into One UI 9 leaks coming up next week.